How do structural failures lead to catastrophic collapse? Imagine a building standing tall one day and suddenly it's falling apart the next. What causes such sudden and complete failure? It all comes down to how the structure handles stress and what happens when it can no longer do so. When parts of a building are pushed beyond what they can handle, they start to deform, crack, or even break. For example, beams and columns are designed to carry specific loads. If these loads increase suddenly or gradually over time, the materials can bend or shear. Buckling is another issue where a column bows under compression, losing its stability. When these elements fail, they no longer support the weight above them, which can lead to a chain reaction. This chain reaction begins when a small part of the structure weakens or breaks. If the building isn't designed with enough backup or redundancy, this local failure can spread quickly. Damage can jump from one beam or support to the next, causing a domino effect. Sometimes, a single crack or corrosion in a critical support can set off this chain. When a support fails, the load shifts to other parts that might not be strong enough to handle it. If those parts also fail, the entire structure can come crashing down in moments. Design flaws also play a big role. If a building is designed with underestimating the loads it will face or poor load paths, it becomes more vulnerable. Construction mistakes like weak joints, poor workmanship, or missed inspections can weaken the structure from the start. Over time, materials can degrade too. Rust, corrosion, or environmental damage reduce the strength of steel and concrete, making failure more likely. Modern buildings are built to prevent this kind of disaster. Engineers design them with controlled failure zones, so if one part fails, it doesn't cause the whole building to collapse. But if these safety measures aren't in place or fail, the entire structure can give way suddenly. When the critical load exceeds what the building can handle and failure spreads uncontrollably, the result is a rapid, complete collapse. Understanding these failure mechanisms helps engineers improve safety and prevent future tragedies.